In the year 2026, Scottish Citylink redefines the future of travel. Emerging from the shadows of the showroom floor, the Citylink 2026 travel bus reveals its bold aerodynamic design, a sleek silver body accented with the unmistakable yellow and blue of Scotland's trusted coach service. The panoramic windshield curves seamlessly into the sculpted frame, while futuristic LED headlights carve through the darkness with precision. As the camera glides across its elongated profile, the essence of intercity travel evolves before our eyes. Tinted panoramic windows stretch across the body, promising comfort and views on every journey. At the rear, vertical LED taillights rise with elegance, while hidden luggage compartments blend into the flowing lines of the bus, merging functionality with art. Step inside, and the journey becomes an experience. The driver's cockpit wraps around with futuristic digital displays, every control at the touch of a hand. In the passenger cabin, rows of reclining leather seats, soft ambient lighting, and spacious overhead storage elevate every mile into pure comfort. A premium lounge section invites travelers to relax, connect, or simply enjoy the road ahead. This is not just a bus. This is Citylink 2026, the future of travel, combining innovation, comfort, and the pride of Scotland into one extraordinary design.